Alright, what's up guys? So today is South Florida Alfa Rally Day. I'm with my dad in his 71 Alfa Romeo. We take it out like once a year, so it's barely out on the road. But it's out, and we're about to get in the cars right now and hop in and go for a drive. The cars are all at the gas station right now. We're refueling to go. It's gonna be fun. It's a bunch of older guys and older cars, but still a lot of fun. I'll show you some of my some video of my dad's car. Dad's is over there, but I'm gonna be getting in this little Spider right here. Got the GoPro attached. We're the only ones. I'm alive. That was some crazy back road driving. I did not expect the Alfa Spider that I jumped in to be so fun. I mean, most of the Alfa Romeos that are older don't have much horsepower, but they are light cars, so they're really fun to drive in some back corners. Look at the lineup now. We've just got Spider after Spider and some 4c's. Spider over here, Spider, the white 4c. This guy was hauling ass, and he's got a cool little custom plate. Fun 4c. Another older Alfa, a random CTS that pulled up, ignore him. Another Alfa 4C, another Alfa, and another yellow 4C. This was definitely my first time going around driving cars, having some fun, definitely seeing 4Cs in their natural habitat, I guess you would say. You don't really see most Alfa Romeo 4Cs driving together, number one. Number two, you don't ever see them driving hard. And to see like 4 or 5 4Cs driving fast and the older Alfas trying to catch up, it was a lot of fun. Let me know how you guys enjoy this video. It was a lot of fun doing this. Tell me if you like this video style more. Do you like reviews more, or do you like me just hopping in the cars and making it edit like this? This is definitely a lot of fun, and I want to keep doing stuff like this, so drop a comment down, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.
So pardon my manners, just something about you turns me to a savage.